Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to tell you a latest feature of WhatsApp which is create stickers of yourself. If you want to create yourself stickers on WhatsApp, so just follow these steps. First, just open your WhatsApp app and then just select the person you want to send your sticker. As I'm going to do this one, so just tap on it. And here just tap on the sticker option. Here just tap on it. And now you have a new feature which is create. Just tap on it and here you just have to select the media you want to send as your s- sticker. As I'm going to choose this one, so just tap on this and then it will be process it into a sticker. Just tap on send and now you have successfully sent yourself stickers. Just tap on it and then you can add it to your favorites. So that's how you can send yourself stickers on WhatsApp. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until the next video, bye bye.